everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy DIYs using these Dollar Tree wire baskets. Starting with my first project, I will be using this one right here in the color black. I know Dollar Tree carries this one in black and another one in the color gold. Another Dollar Tree item I will be using is this wood circle, which I'm going to paint using the Waverly Antique Wax. I'm only painting the top part because I'm going to place this wood circle inside the wire basket, and since it's a little bit too small, I'm going to add some of this nautical rope around the wood circle to make it a little bit wider. As you can see here, it only covers a little bit, so I did have to go around it 3 times. But after I was finishing, look how beautiful it looks inside the basket. I will not be gluing this, so this is going to be removable. I'm going to remove it and add the leftover nautical rope around the top part of the basket. I did glue the beginning and the end. The rope made it look so much better. Look how beautiful this looks. Now I'm going to just place the little wood piece back inside and decorate this. But that is it for this beautiful decorative basket. For my next project, I will be using this other wire basket, which is this rectangle one. Dollar Tree also carries this in gold. So I'm going to start off by removing the tag. And this one is going to be very easy and simple. I've done this before with another type of Dollar Tree basket. All I'm doing is adding some greenery to this. So I'm going to use the Dollar Tree greenery and tie these together. Then I'm going to tie this same greenery to the basket. I made a bow without the tail because I didn't have enough, but I do end up switching the bow. Here I'm just showing you, I just did, I guess, half a bow and added to the greenery. To decorate the basket some more, I will be adding this wood slice that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. I'm adding 2 pieces of jute twine to the back of the wood slice because this is going to help me attach this to the wire basket. As I mentioned earlier, I did end up removing the half bow and added a different bow that I had and adding this Dollar Tree home sign that I already had to the wood slice. And that is it for this beautiful basket. For my next project, I will be using this 10-inch Dollar Tree wood slat and 2 of these Dollar Tree little wood boxes. Now, I did try to remove the little tag thing that it has because it has 2 of them, 1 on each side, but I ended up just leaving them. I will be gluing one at the top and one at the bottom. I did use only hot glue, but I do recommend you using wood glue if you're going to add something heavy to this. Once I was done gluing these, I then painted this using the Waverly Antique Wax. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to add these little planters that Dollar Tree carries, but I didn't like the flowers, so I do end up switching it to some Dollar Tree greenery. But that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using some of these Dollar Tree wood planks. Now one pack has 6 of them and I'm only using 3. To make this into a bigger sign, I will be adding some popsicle sticks to the back. Now you have a blank sign that you can add whatever you like to this. I used my Cricut to cut out this bless sign using the Dollar Tree vinyl. And this one had a flower at the end, but I do end up cutting it off and just use the word bless. I added to my sign, which I didn't paint. I left it this color. To decorate this, I did add the blue flower with the leaves from the little Dollar Tree pots and add it here. I also use the bow or the half bow I didn't use in my first project and add it to this one. But that is it for this plus sign. The last thing I did was just add a little hook on the back so you can hang this. And look how beautiful this blessed sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.